Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to crochet the neck warmer. Here's some pictures that I just took today. I did the tutorial on how to crochet the hat. Now we're going to be doing the neck warmer. As you can see, the stitches, I just fell in love with this stitch, the herringbone stitch. It's just gorgeous. And here is a picture from the top, just to show you. I think it turned out pretty good, and the neck warmer turned out pretty good as well. So let's get started. Okay, here is the neck warmer that I have finished, and I'm working on another one. And this is the hat that I did the tutorial, so I will put the link and you can do the hat. It's the same same hat and neck warmer that I showed you on in the picture. Okay, so for this one I chained about total of 73 chains, and then I joined and I went round and around. As I said before, that this stitch is only done when you do it around. It won't work on flat, like go back and forth. It won't work when you try to crochet it. It will turn out like a double crochet, sort of. Okay, the yarn that I'm using is a mill ends yarn that I bought from yarncanada.com, and the color is gray tan. Here is the code if you want to go and purchase it. I really like this yarn, and I have 2 balls left. I have crocheted, I believe, six hats, and this is the 3rd neck warmer that I'm going to start. So I'd like to start from the inside. And then all we have to do is chain 73 chains, and then we go round and around for a total of 18 rows. That's all we do. And then we just cut off the yarn. Just to show you. And it looks very nice. I like the texture of this stitch. Okay, so let me just move this aside. So we're just going to chain, again, 73 chain, total of 73 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll meet you when we come to 73. Okay, the crochet hook I am using is a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. It's a 7.5, it says 0. Okay, so I chained total of 73 chains. And I am going to go hold it without twisting all the way to the first chain here, because we don't want to twist it. And I'm coming to the first chain, and I am going to do a slip stitch. Okay, just like this. Okay, going to chain 2, and on that same chain I am going to make the herringbone stitch, which is this way, just like this. I'm going to the next stitch. It's hard to weave the herringbone stitch because we don't grab a loop, and it's hard to weave it, but it works. Just to point out, the first row is kind of hard. It's always hard when you're trying to work on the chain, and then after that it gets better. Just like this. I notice the texture that this stitch gives when we pull without grabbing the yarn, this is the texture that gives this gorgeous stitch, creates. See, I love it. Just feels nice. You look at it, see how it looks, gives that nice texture. And this is the wrong side of the work. This looks like a moss stitch on the wrong side. And this stitch is nice, both sides. I really like this stitch, but unfortunately you can only do it around and around. It would be great for sweaters if you want to make a sweater for yourself, top down, if you start from the neck area. Just like this, you grab it like a slip stitch, then you go to the next one, next chain, like a slip stitch. It's like, it looks like a double crochet or a half double crochet, but this is the trick. The first, that you just pull it without grabbing the yarn, and then second you grab the yarn and then you pull it. It gives you that nice texture. Like this. So I will let you crochet all the way around, and then I will show you how to start the second row. It's only a total of 18 rows to finish the neck warmer. If you want it longer, you are welcome to crochet as long as you want, but as you can see in the picture, it's 18 rows perfect. And this is a 4-weight yarn, just to let you know. If you want to work with a 2 or a 3-weight yarn, you have to chain more. Just measure your how big you want on your neck area, and it has to go over your head, so it has to be over 24 inches around. I haven't measured. Let me just measure it. Oops, sorry. Just grab the measuring tape. Okay, so this is 28. 14 is 28 inches around. So it's a decent for a neck warmer. Okay, so I will let you crochet and I'll meet you. Okay, so I'm almost done crocheting all the way around. Okay, so this is going to be like a spiral, so there's no joint. Like, I won't be doing this, then chaining up. I am automatically going to go yarn over, and then crochet the herringbone stitch as round and around, just like this. There's no joining. And then we go to the next one. Then we continue crocheting. That's all to it. It's very easy and very simple. Just go round and around. No joint, nothing. And when you come back, you just continue crocheting like you're doing one row, straight row, but it's no going back and forth. It's just round and around. And then you crochet, and it becomes this the more you crochet. Okay, I'm already working on this. I started today, and you just finish in a couple of hours. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. So I have to do 3 more rows and I'll be done. And you just go round and around let me see if I can find, I put my label here. you can't see the joint. It's just, that's where I started. Just, I put my label so I would know where I started, just like this. And it looks very nice and texture. What do you guys think? I hope you like this stitch, as I fell in love with it. It gives you that texture, gives you that 3D look when you hold it like this. I like the texture when you do, when you crochet, like when you pull it at once like a slip stitch. This gives that nice texture. And I am planning to make lots of stuff with this stitch. Yeah. You just crochet like this. At first you feel weird because you're not yarning over. You're just pulling it like a slip stitch, right? But you will get better, because I did 4 hats so far, and this is, well, this is my second neck warmer, and I started the third one with you guys. So the more you crochet, the better you will become, the faster you will crochet it. It's very easy, especially if you have yarn in your stash. Just wonderful. Okay, so I will let you crochet, and when I come to the end, I will show you how to finish it. It's very easy. And I will show you how to finish it. As I finished it here, see, I did a slip stitch, but I don't like it, so this time I want to do something different. Like it just went down. I want it to go straight. There's always tricks to play around with it. The more you make it, the more you will you will find tricks to make it even. So let me try if I can show you a trick to finish it. Okay, so I will come back and we will finish the neck warmer. It's very fast and it goes nice. You can watch movies, anything on TV, like you won't get distracted. It just goes nice and fast, and yeah, just like this. I have crocheted total of 18 rows, so I'm just gonna finish it. It's really fun to crochet this stitch. That's all I can do. I'll just do the last one. Okay, what I'm going to do is, let me play around with it. Maybe let's do a one single crochet. Well, then it goes down straight. Well, this layer is like a double crochet, right? It's like 2 layers. So I just don't want it to go down. So what I'll do is I'll make a half. Let me do this. Let me just do this. And then I made another one, but I'll make it tight. And what I'll do is I'll make one single crochet. Yeah, can you see? Like I am trying to make the level same as this one. I did the herringbone stitch, and I went down straight to a slip stitch, and it just gives that slope that I don't want it to show like this. I just wanted to layer it same so it won't. I think this is better. What do you guys think? Just need to play around with it, and then I'll do 2 slip stitches one after another just to finish it. I think this is way better. It doesn't give you that deep slope. Yeah, and I'll just cut my yarn. I usually chain 4 when I'm finishing. It's easy to weave it later on, so I just cut my yarn like this, and I just grab a smaller crochet hook and I just weave it. just like this. Just weave it a couple of times. You can use a tapestry needle as well. A couple more times, I guess. You can weave it like this, just to hide it. And this is how you crochet it. I think it looks nice. What do you guys think? I really love this stitch. Planning to make a top for myself. We'll see. I always have these plans and don't have the time to finish them. So I hope you like the short tutorial. I just wanted to share what I was working on. So I have, I'm going to be working on the third one, and hopefully I will have it finished, because the lady's going to come and pick it up tomorrow. I have 2 boxes ready to go. I did post pictures on my Instagram page if you want to go and look what I'm donating. Again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. Oh, my Instagram page is below on the description, or if you go onto my About section, you can find it. It's Angora_Valera. Again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm almost hitting the 23K, almost there. Just, I need more, a couple of hundred people more to subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting and have a great day.